We arrived at this office in Muswell Hill because the customer said the boiler pressure is dropping every morning. They always have to top up the system. We turned on the heating and checked all the radiators around the office. A few radiators had small marks in front of them which looked suspicious. We also checked everything with the thermal camera. We could see some watermarks on a few walls. This showed there's a high chance of a leak somewhere in the heating pipes. Most of the radiator pipes are boxed in. Some pipes run in the ceiling and drop down to the radiators. So we checked every radiator and every boxed in pipe area. After running the heating for 10 minutes, the boiler pressure dropped. This confirmed there is a leak in the system. In the bathroom, we found another sign of moisture, but this was not a heating pipe leak. We then carried out a hydrogen gas test. We checked every area where the heating pipes run, because the customer had multiple leaks in the past. We found the expansion vessel was leaking. We also found that one radiator valve was slowly leaking, which we could see by eye. Later in the front showroom, we picked up a very strong gas reading on one wall. The gas rises fast, which tells us the leak is under the floor. We lifted the carpet and opened the concrete. We sprayed the fitting, and it started to bubble. This showed the hydrogen tracer gas was escaping from that joint. We opened more concrete, and the gas was pushing out quickly. We cut out the damaged section and fixed it on the spot. The problem was a push-fit fitting that was never pushed together properly. That is why the pressure kept dropping every day. After the repair, we filled the system. We added an inhibitor. We checked every radiator and made sure the system was working perfectly. This customer was struggling with pressure issues for a long time. We found the leak. We fixed the leak. Now the system holds pressure with no problems. Got a leak, don't wait. We find it, we fix it.